Okay, good morning student. This is our second video. Okay, this is our chapter of integers. Okay, natural number. What is natural number? Counting numbers. In junior classes we have studied what? When we were in class LKG, UKG, we have started studying 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is natural number. Clear? So what is natural number? Symbol of natural number is capital N. You have to write capital N for this natural number. This is the symbol of natural number. So what is the symbol of natural number? Capital N. And what is natural number? Counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. This dot dot shows that there is infinite natural numbers. Natural numbers का कोई end नहीं होता है. So this dot is indicating that there is infinite numbers. मतलब कि और बहुत सारा natural numbers है. Clear? Now, second is whole number. What is whole number? All natural numbers. What is all natural numbers? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity plus 0. Okay. When I am adding, this is natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot up to infinity. But one thing we have to add. We have to add only 0. So I am adding 0 here. Okay, now this collection of number, this set is known as whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot up to infinity. This collection is known as whole number. Now what is the symbol of whole number? You can see starting word is W. So I am writing here W. W for whole number. Capital W is a symbol of all whole numbers. Clear? See, what is the smallest whole number? What is the smallest whole number? 0. Okay. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a collection of whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a collection of natural number. Only one difference is there. 0 is not present in this case. Okay. In natural number, 0 is not present there. Clear? Now, our next topic is integers. What is integers? Integers, we will use the symbol capital I for integer, or sometimes in other book you can see capital Z. Both symbol is used for integer. So we can say we can use I or Z. I use कर सकते हैं या Z use कर सकते हैं for representing integers. Clear? Integers के लिए I लिखो या Z लिखो, both are same. Okay. Now what is integers? Natural numbers 0. Okay. That means what we have to write? Natural number. What is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Okay. Now what we have to add? 0 also. Now I am adding 0. And negative of natural numbers. जितना भी natural number है उसका negative form we have to write. What is the negative of 1? Minus 1. What is the negative of 2? Minus 2. What is the negative of 3? Minus 3. Negative of 4, minus 4. Similarly, there is infinite natural number. So, in opposite side, that means in left side, we have negative numbers also, which is infinite. Negative numbers भी तो infinite होगा ना, because natural number भी infinite है. हम लोग natural number के end तक नहीं पहुँच पाते हैं. So इसी तरह से negative numbers का भी end हम लोग नहीं देख सकते हैं. So I am giving a dot dot. That means there is many infinite negative numbers and infinite positive numbers. Now, what is negative? What is positive? Positive integer. What is positive integer? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 all are positive because they are having plus sign. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 these are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot up to infinity. Okay, these collections are positive integer. Now negative integers. Negative integers. What is negative integers? Of course, the number which is having negative sign, that means -1, -2, -3, -4 and infinite numbers. Okay. Again, I am giving a dotted sign, that means negative number is also infinite. Now, one number I have not written. Which number? You can see 0 I have not written in both the brackets. Okay, why? Because this 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, what we can say? 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, this is clear? That 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 positive भी नहीं होता है and वो negative भी नहीं होता है. Clear? Now, this is the simple things which you have already studied in the previous class. Now, this is our main topic which we are exactly starting in our new chapter, which is integer. This is very important because this part we will continue in upcoming classes also. Okay. So rules for addition, subtraction of integers. How we can add any integers? How we can subtract any integers? Rule number 1: if two positive or two negative integers. See, two positive और two negative. ले रहे हैं तो दोनों positive integers होना चाहिए या ले रहे हैं तो दोनों negative होना चाहिए. As you can see, okay, if two positive or two negative integers are added, we add their values. तो वैल्यूज को हम लोग क्या कर देंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. अगर दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव है, दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव है, तो हम लोग डायरेक्टली उसको साइन को नहीं देखेंगे. रिगार्डलेस ऑफ देयर साइन, उसको साइन को हम लोग को नोटिस नहीं करना है. बस दोनों नंबर का साइन सेम है. ओके, दोनों नंबर का साइन सेम है. दैट मीन्स अगर दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव है, दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव है, तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग को क्या करना है? देन वी हैव टू ऐड द नंबर्स. whatever is the number, that we have to directly add the number. Then in the last part, what we have to do? Give the sum their common sign. And what we have to give the sign? Whatever is the sign in the question, we have to just put the that sign in the answer. See, in the first example, what we are having? Add 36 and 27. What is question here? 36 and 27. We have to add these two numbers. 36 which is positive, 27 which is also positive. Both numbers are positive. Now what we have to do? We have to add the numbers. Okay, 36 plus 27. 36 is having positive sign. See, I have not written any sign here. यहाँ 36 के सामने हम कुछ साइन लिखे हैं. That means वहाँ positive sign लिखा हुआ है. No, it is not important to write positive sign here. Okay, it is not necessary. अगर negative sign होगा, then you have to write. Okay, don't need to write positive sign again and again. Okay. Now 27 is having plus sign and 36 is having plus sign also here. Okay, this plus sign is for 27 and 36 sign is plus, which is here, but we are not writing the symbol. Okay. Now 36 plus 27, what is the answer? Tell me. Okay, 6 plus 7, 13. Carry 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. So we are having 63. Now what is the last line? Give the sum their common sign. What is the common sign between these two numbers? 36 is also having positive sign. 27 is also having positive sign. दोनों के पास कॉमन साइन क्या है? प्लस. ओके, सो आंसर में भी क्या हो गया? प्लस हो गया. और प्लस का साइन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड 63 डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिखो. इसके आगे प्लस लिखना है नहीं लिखना है, बात सेम है. ओके, क्योंकि अगर कोई नंबर के आगे कोई साइन नहीं है, दैट मीन्स प्लस साइन इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट देयर. क्लियर? सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, this is clear. 63 is our answer. Now see in this question, now what we have to do, minus 31 minus 31, and this 31 is having minus sign. You can see 31 is having sign minus. Now second question is 25. 21 is having sign minus. Now see what we have to do. We have to add the numbers. We have to add these two numbers. Okay, so I am giving a plus sign. But see, there is two sign. जब दो साइन एक साथ रहता है, then in that case we will give bracket. In that case we will give bracket sign. Okay. Now what you have to do? Learn one more thing. Okay. What you have to learn? See this. You have to learn plus minus is also plus, but if there is different sign like minus plus, then it will give minus, and there is plus minus, then it will also give minus. Clear? क्या देखना है? अगर साइन सेम होगा तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. माइनस will also become plus. Minus plus will give minus, and plus minus will also give minus. Clear? So there is plus minus, so I am writing here minus 31. Plus minus means minus 25. Now both sign is same. Minus 31, minus 25, both sign are same. Okay, so we have to add the numbers. What we will get? 5 plus 1, that means 6. 3 plus 2, that means 5, minus, we have to give the common sign. See, common sign we have to put in the answer, so I am giving here minus sign. Okay, so we are having 5 plus 1, 6, and 2 plus 3, 5. And what is the common sign between them? Minus sign, so I am giving minus sign. Clear? Now, rule number 2. What is our second rule? Second rule is saying that if there is one positive and one negative integer, if the first number is positive or anything, if there is one positive and one negative integer, मतलब एक पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, या पहला वाला पॉजिटिव हो सेकंड वाला नेगेटिव, या पहला वाला नेगेटिव सेकंड वाला पॉजिटिव, बोथ आर सेम. Okay, if one number is positive and one number is negative, then in that case we find difference. the sign different होगा, तो इस केस में हम लोग क्या करना है? See, you can see here minus plus minus, plus minus minus, sign different है तो we are doing subtraction. Yeah. So if the sign is different, in that case we will do subtraction, and but in the last case put the sign of the greater integer in the answer, and whatever is the greater number, that sign you have to put in the answer. See, this is our last example. Okay. Minus 47. This is minus 47 plus 28. Minus 47 and second is plus 28. Okay. Now see what you have to do. Minus plus minus. Okay. So it is clear जब साइन डिफरेंट होगा then in that case हम लोग को सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करना है. यहाँ अगर सेम साइन है then in that case we will directly do addition. यहाँ पर भी सेम साइन था -31 इसलिए हम लोग एडिशन की, लेकिन यहाँ पर साइन डिफरेंट है, इस केस में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्शन. You know how to subtract. So subtract, you know that 47 minus 28. Okay, this is 17, this is 3. 17 minus 8. What is the answer? Count. 17 minus 8. You will get 9. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. You will get 19. Clear? Clear? Now this is 19. When you will subtract the number, you will get 19. Okay. Clear? So I am writing here 19. which is greater. Which is greater number? Tell me. Okay, minus 47. Minus 47 is greater, and this 47 is carrying minus sign. So we have to put minus sign in the answer. Clear? Minus 19 is our answer because greater integer. Just put the sign of the greater integer. Whatever is the greater integer, हम लोग वही sign देंगे. Okay. Now next question. Again there is different sign. 29 is having minus sign and 52 is having plus sign. So again in that case what we have to do? Subtraction. Okay. Now subtract the number. When you will subtract these two numbers, 29 and 52. 52 and we have to subtract 29. In that case it will become 12 and it will become 4. 12 minus 9, that is 3, and 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 23, and what you have to put the sign? You have to put plus sign because 52 is greater, so you have to put plus sign. Clear? Okay. 52 is greater now. In the last answer, you can see the number which is having greater sign, that sign you have to put. जो number बड़ा है उसी का sign देना. 52 is greater, so I am putting here plus sign. Plus sign लिखो ना लिखो, that is same. Okay. Because if you will not write plus sign, the meaning is same. Plus sign अगर नहीं लिखे हैं तो वहाँ पर plus sign ही वहाँ पर लिखा है. Clear? It's up to you. You can write plus sign or not. Okay, because 52 is greater, so I am giving here plus sign. That's all for today, student. Pause the video and note it down. Clear?